How to find your Apple Cash card number. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you have to navigate to your wallet application in your iPhone or in your iPad. Once your wallet is opened up, you have to tap on your Apple Cash card. For this, you will find various of card that is linked to your wallet. Search for your Apple Cash card and select on the given card. To check for your 16-digit number that is a card number, it is very simple. However, for this you will need your Face ID, password or your fingerprint. In here you should find a eye icon that is the More button. That could be a 3 button or this I button significantly. Just select on the button. After that, to check out the details that is your virtual card number, expiration date and your CVV, you will have to use your Face ID, Touch ID or a passcode. By this way, you'll be able to check out your Apple Cash card number. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.